Last year, this basket of food cost the monkey 10 bananas at the market.
It's 12 bananas for the basket today.
Oh, all right. It is a very nice basket.
His paycheck stayed the same. So where did those 2 bananas of value go? Meet our bonobo. Every season, he walks to the market with the same banana pay. He works hard, never overspends, and earns the exact same stack of bananas each time. For years, that stack felt like plenty. It filled his basket with everything he needed. But lately, the same bananas carry home a smaller basket, and he cannot explain why. He checks his paycheck again. The number of bananas is exactly what it always was. He made no mistakes, yet somehow he is quietly falling a little further behind. So here is the puzzle. The pay looks the same, so why does it feel like less? To solve it, let's watch our monkey across several market seasons, one after another. In this world, 2 simple signs hang above his head, and they tell different stories. The first sign is the banana count sign. It shows how many bananas he is paid. The second sign is the basket sign. It shows how much that pay actually carries home. In the first season, the banana count sign reads 10, and the basket sign looks full. Our monkey smiles. 10 bananas, 1 full basket. Everything feels balanced and perfectly fine. Now look closely at the market stalls. Each one has a small price tag attached. A coconut is priced at 2 bananas. A mango is priced at 1 banana. Season 2 arrives. The price tags tick gently upward, just a banana here and there. No villain did this. No single chimpanzee decided it. The whole market simply drifted up. The banana count sign still reads 10. His pay did not change one single bit. But the basket sign has quietly shrunk. The same 10 bananas now buy a little less. Our monkey barely notices. He keeps watching the banana count sign, and it still looks fine. Season 3, Season 4. The price tags keep drifting up, slowly and quietly, every time. The banana count sign holds at 10, calm and steady, like nothing is happening at all. But the basket sign keeps shrinking. The 2 signs are slowly drifting apart from each other. Let's give those 2 signs their real names, because each one has a proper term. The banana count sign is his nominal pay. That simply means the number on the paycheck. The basket sign is his real pay. That means what the paycheck can actually buy. Nominal pay is the count of bananas. Real pay is the size of the basket. Those are 2 different things, and the surprise is that they can move apart over time. What pulls them apart is inflation. Inflation is the slow, broad rise of prices everywhere. It is not one price jumping. It is almost every price drifting upward together. Here is the key rule of the whole story, and it is simpler than it sounds. When prices rise faster than pay, real pay falls. The basket shrinks, even as bananas hold. The nominal number can stay flat or even rise, while the real basket still gets smaller. So why doesn't our monkey notice? Because of a gentle trick called the money illusion. The money illusion is simple. We watch the big number, and forget to check the basket.
A steady paycheck number feels safe, so the slow loss of value hides in plain sight. That illusion is the answer to our opening puzzle. That is where the missing value went.
There is one more piece. Each small price rise does not stay small for very long. Inflation compounds. Each season's rise stacks on top of the last, season after season. A tiny drift each year quietly adds up into a surprisingly wide gap over many years. Let's also meet inflation's sneaky little cousin, the one you spot at the market stall.
It is called shrinkflation. The price tag stays the same, but the product gets smaller.
The basket of food looks the same size, yet quietly holds a little less inside. Shrinkflation is real and worth spotting, but honestly, it is only a small slice.
The main driver is still the bigger one. Ordinary prices simply rising faster than pay.
Let's see a quick example with real numbers, kept as simple as 2 market goods. A coconut once cost 2 bananas. A few seasons later, that coconut costs 3 bananas. Our macaque even got a small raise. His pay rose from 10 bananas to 11. His paycheck number went up. It truly did. That feels like good news, doesn't it? But count the coconuts. Before, 10 bananas bought 5. Now 11 bananas buy only 3. The number rose, yet the basket shrank. In real terms, that raise was actually a cut. A raise smaller than inflation is, quietly, a pay cut wearing a cheerful disguise. Stretch this over many seasons. Our careful macaque did everything right and still slipped backward. That is the real lesson behind feeling poorer. It is rarely a personal failure.
It is simply inflation outrunning pay, the basket shrinking while the number stands still.
So here is the one thing to carry home from our monkey's market trips.
Watch the basket, not just the number. Real pay is what your money can actually buy.
Whenever you hear a wage, a raise, or a price, ask what it truly buys. The number is nominal pay, and the basket is real pay. Inflation drifts prices up. When they outrun pay, the basket quietly shrinks without warning. If Money in Plain Sight helped today, subscribe for more simple stories from the lemur world.